Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can mine silver in Hytale. So chances are, if you've like me, you're new to the game and you've been exploring the world map, and I can show you now that I've been over quite a few different areas of the game. I have tried mining in several different biomes now, and while I have found some rare materials in different biomes, I can say that the desert definitely seems to have the best spawn rates for rare metals. Silver is one of those metals. It's actually fairly easy to find and fairly close to the surface. You can find it underground as well. But one of the best places that I have found is actually inside mines. So if you go into the desert here, you will find these NPC spawned mines in the desert. And if you go down them, you will find that they are brimming with rare metals. Not just silver, which we can see there's more of just there, but you can also find other stuff such as cobalt, which is just around here. And you can also find gold in these mines as well. So these are absolutely fantastic for finding rare materials, and I hope that this tutorial has helped.